Hi guys, and today I want to tell you about something that I found on Instagram actually, and I thought this sounds pretty cool. So I used to absolutely love my beauty boxes. I had Birchbox and Glossy Box, but then this one has come out for us curly haired, wavy hair girls, and it's all about curly hair. So the box costs £23 including delivery. And you can get some 10% off codes, which I'm going to try and find for you. And this is how it arrives. So I haven't opened mine yet, so I wanted to leave it all for you. It's got really nice packaging. The thing about monthly boxes, I just think they're lovely, that it's almost like a little present to yourself every month. And this is again aimed at curly and wavy haired girls. So all the products tend to be sulfate free, silicone free, that sort of thing. And here we go, love is in the hair. So today this looks like it's all from one range. I believe the first box or last month's box was the As I Am collection, which I'm gutted I missed because I've always wanted to try those. So this is the Curlee Box February Flora and Curl exclusive. So it's got a shampoo, a detangler, a hair mist and a hair oil, so that sounds pretty cool. So let's have a little open. I always try and save tissue paper, but how cute is this? So we've got a little postcard. You are about to You are about to enjoy truly natural hair care that is made for your healthy hair journey and designed to help your curls flourish and blossom. We cannot wait to watch and hear your experience with our 100% natural botanical curl care products. Thank you, Curlee Box, for the feature. And then you've got a 15% off discount code if you do want to buy anything else. So all these products are full size, which is cool. I've got the website up on my phone and I'm just going to compare. So this is the 200ml. Oh, that's so cool. So the hair oil is £25 on its own. So this is the cost of the whole box. It costs more than the whole box to get the whole 4 products. So that's really cool. And then the Jasmine hair mist is £22, and again that's full size. And then it's the Rose and Honey Milk Leave-In Detangler, that's £19. And then the African Citrus Shampoo is £17. So you've got those 4 products for £23. So I'm trying to just add this up really quickly, but my brain's not working. You're saving about 60 quid, about 55, 60 quid. So that's really cool. So I'm quite impressed with it. Actually, I've got the March box coming, but I wasn't going to keep buying it every month because I'm not going to get through a whole box every month. But I do love this packaging. It's very me. I'm quite excited about this because I'm moving house and I'm looking forward to finally having an ensuite, and it's going to look so pretty in my ensuite. So that's what comes in the box, but I obviously haven't used these products yet. So what I will do is I will use them and then I'll give a review on them separately. But I just want to show you what you got in the box, and that's pretty cool. I know there are a few YouTube videos on the first box, and there was like a diffuser, and as I said, the As I Am products. So let's have a little smell. Yeah, that smells good. That's cool. So I think this one will be in between washes, the hair mist. So I'll shampoo, use the tangler, and then the hair oil. And I'll let you know how I get on and what I think. I'll do it over 2 days, so I'll film the products, talk about them a little bit more, and then I will kind of upload it after the second day when I've refreshed it with the mist. But this is the Curlee Box. It's really cool. Happy with it. I did love that you got more of a box you could keep with Glossy Box, but also I think the amount of product, like for the cost, you can tell where the money's going. So rather than having like loads of boxes, you're getting really good products. So I will upload what comes in March and I will try and sort out a code for you guys. So thanks very much for watching. This has been your Curlee Box. See ya!